Next question comes from Mark, who's asked, which die letters are used for which size wire or crimps? Okay, that's a little bit of a tricky one because with the generic crimp tool that we use for that demonstration, this is used for a wide range of different terminals. And it's very difficult to say for a given wire gauge, for example, which die location do we use. So on that basis, what we need to do is a little bit of manual calibration of the crimp tool. Basically what we want to do is some test crimps and basically do a tug test on the test crimp once we've done this and actually prove to ourselves that the finished crimp is going to be reliable. Some visual inspection is also going to let us know that we haven't over crimped it. So over crimping can actually be just as dangerous as under crimping. Now if you do want to get a little bit flasher, there are specific crimp tools that are designed for a given terminal. So I've got one here. This is a professional tool from Rensteeg. I'll just get this under our overhead camera. Probably a little bit hard to see this, but these are available with removable dies. So you can see there are two Allen head cap screws here. We can remove these, and the dies that are in the jaws there are interchangeable. So with that particular crimp tool, we can buy dies that are suited to a specific terminal or sometimes a range of specific terminals, and with those there are actually locations specific to the wire gauge that we're working with. A nice thing with the Rensteeg tool as well is that it actually will perform both of the crimp operations at the same time. You'll notice that when I did the demonstration with the generic tool, we actually have to do the two operations separately. This will do them together, but you are going to be spending a lot more money on something like that, and then you have to buy the individual dies as well. So it just depends what level you want to be working at and how much time you've got on your hands and how much money you want to spend.
That question was taken from one of our free live lessons. If you like free stuff and you're the type of guy who wants to expand your knowledge, click the link in the description to claim your free spot to our next live lesson. You'll learn about performance engine building and EFI tuning, and you'll also have the chance to ask your own questions, which I'll be answering live. Remember, it's 100% free, so follow the link to claim your spot.